Okay, so I am not strictly speaking supposed to do this, um, but I think it's interesting, so I'm going to. So this is a camera lens, and you can kind of zoom it in and out based on twisting it, and the idea is that the light goes in this end. Sorry, my phone's shadow's in the way. The light goes in this top end, and it goes through the middle. And there's a bunch of little lenses in here, and it comes out on this side, and it comes out of that hole right there, and it goes into the camera. And then the camera has a sensor in there that'll detect the light and read it to a file or something. And yeah, that's how a DSLR camera kind of works. Now, the reason why we need a camera like lens, it's because if you just have the sensor, then the light is going to hit the sensor coming from all directions. Like I can see that screen over there. I can see it from here, and if I walk to the side, I can also see it from right here, meaning that the light from it is going everywhere, and I'm just seeing it wherever I'm standing. But a camera lens has pixels in multiple different places, and all of those pixels will see the light from that screen no matter where they are, and they'll also see the light from over there and the light from over there. So if you just took a camera sensor and took a picture right here, then it would just be totally bright, or maybe red or something, because there's nothing to focus the light. And that's what I've done. And you're not supposed to do that because it's a piece of expensive equipment, but you can look down in there, and sure enough, if I can get the light in, there's an exposed sensor down in there. There's no lens in front of this camera. This is a T-ring for a telescope. And sure enough, when I turn it on, there's absolutely no focusing that happens. I can point it at the screen, and it's totally white. Absolutely white. And I can point it at the ghost, and it's black. There's nothing really going on. You can see my light against the wall. It's just forming a kind of a red shape, and it's everything is very much unfocused, because why would it be? Now, I have something interesting to do next, and that involves a magnifying glass, which I think we have over here somewhere. Wait. Okay, hold up. Aha, I found you. So the magnifying glass, quite clearly magnifies things. It's a pretty cool piece of lens technology. So now, if I switch this back to red for a minute, we'll see that nothing is focused. There's no focusing going on here. But if I place the lens in front of the camera, then we do get some focusing action, ever so slightly. It's kind of easier if I do it with two hands, like this. There we go. If I can get it in there. There we go. You can see the picture of the ocean. Not very well, of course. This isn't a good lens. But what's happening is that the magnifying glass is focusing the light onto the sensor instead of the light just hitting it from all angles. And I think that is really cool, because I just made a camera lens out of a magnifying glass and a tube, because that's really what it boils down to at the end of the day.